Hello everyone, this is Navanit Upadhyay. Welcome to my channel. This is Trade with Navanit. Today we'll discuss about the chart of gold from top-down analysis from 30 minutes, from 4 hours to 5 minutes. Now, as you can see, how the seller how this seller, which actually they are trapped. Now the market is ranging in between 4340.795. It's a beautiful jaw visible point in order to buy, but as there was a support, as you can see, there was a support in this area. First of all, it was in this area. There was a support in this area, which was 24266.321, where many of them had shown as the expert, not the beginner, has seen that there's a base, so they have entered here. All the buyers, they get it to what point? You can say at least they had made about 870 pips. It's more than enough, but market don't move in such a way that they at first it's come to take all the buyers CTC. So as you can see at the next move, when it was lagging because the buying was so slow that I was also thinking of selling, but the Etsun, we can't say sell it in such a speed way, but the market was in such a speed zone, so I guess nobody had sell in this point, which was 4341 here, and again it took its supports from the previous where the buyers has as I said that this was the point where the support was taken. In this candle take out, as you can see in the first 1 hour, this candle take out all the buyers from this place, and then now it is going in this direction. Now what you can expect from this is, if it crosses this area, this box which I have demand on, which area, then I am trying of doing one trade in the buy side, which was in if it cross this area. But if not, then there is no such area, but one area which was consulting, which was in this zone, because there was a resistance in this part. As you can see, there was a resistance, so market took some sort of ranging in this place so there may be some of the possibilities that it will return from this area. So now there is two possibilities that the market will I am showing you the path, that it will come from this range to here, and then it took a pullback. This is the this is the first pathway. Now the second will be, if this if this if the gold prices will cross this area and took a support, and it will go to the upper side. These two are the possibilities, but if it will not carry these two possibilities, then I will not trade. That that's how I am seeing on the market right now. Let's see. I'm waiting here for. I waited to take this trade in yesterday 22 minutes, approx about 10. I have took this trade and it went approximately good quantity, but the asset was very big. It was 10 pips. It was 100 pips, and according to it, there was a higher target which was 75 pips. Now let's see. If any of you have taken this trade, please comment it down in and see who else has taken the trade. Just comment in the chat section. Hello, Trade with Nomadit members. Please come in chat and say me about your views, how the market will react the gold sports slash USD dollar. I've seen that now it is coming a bit down, but if it cross, you can take a buy from this area. I'm not I'm not convincing you to take a buy from this area, but just I'm saying that you can take a buy from this area because there is an, as you can see, there is an there is a support area in, you can see in 4336.539. So if the market will take this support, and because this is a risky area because the market is now ranging, as you can see there is a resistance and there is also one support, but this is a perfect zone to enter. The safest zone to enter is in if if the market will cross this box. If the box if the candles will cross the box, then you can we can go. It is considered to be a safe entry. Now it's almost about, the time is 4:34 p.m. according to Indian Standard Time, and today the date is 15 December 2025. Anyone in the comment, please comment down below where the market will move according to your view. My view is in the buying side if it crosses the rectangle area, which is the price is between 4347.302. Let's see. Wait for some more minutes. I will remove this arrows path because it would be confusing sometime. I myself feel very confusing. Now let's see what will market. Now we have analyzed in the 30 minutes that there is some sort of support here and here also. Now going to 15 minutes. You have seen that there are some sorts of range. As you can see, this is the point where there some sort of range is if the market will come in this area and we will plan for a buy. That's it. There is no any difference between lower time frame or higher time frame. We can get some the pinpoint entry in the lower time frame, but the higher time frame would definitely show you the exact difference part where the market would go. This side Navani Upadhyay. Let's see. The waiting is the hardest part in the trading because you will lose your patience while sitting down for several hours. So that's how the trading works. It should the price should come in your area and bounce back. That's how the trading works. Any sort of news today? Linked to the so I'm looking for news. See if any type of news which comments some of the chat if there is some important news. FOMC Forex Factory will look to the Forex Factory. I will show you where I used to watch this news. Hmm. There is CAT CPI, no USD CPI. There is some meeting today. There is a meeting of FOMC member William will speak, and FOMC member Miran will speak. What if in that time some of the consolidations will happen in the market? So we'll look at it, how it will react, and tomorrow we will get where the market will go. No, I've showed you this region is basically the this region because when I was trading in the morning session, this was the range which was forming where I was thinking of sell, but due to my previous trade, which I have trading for a long time, so I have some experience that this type of sometime in the bull market, these are the ranges where seller used to do some sort of selling, so where the smart player will buy in the market. So these are the places where buying happening. Now these are the places where retailer also enters, so the expert retailers also enter. So now when it will move in direction, the market will won't give you the money in very easily. It's the market is the place where you would get easy money in the hardest way. The hardest way to earn money is the stock market. So this was the place where retailer would also enter. So the market if it crosses this box, then it would we will go for a buying, and if it's come in restraint we also going for a buy. But today I have done my profit, so no harsh to do some more profit. So I will be relaxing and just suggesting you, not that I am invoking you to put a trade, but suggesting you if the market will come in this place a buy, and if it crosses this range, you can probably see you need some sort of confirmations before buying. So if it crosses this box, then you should go for buy. Now looking toward the next, which I have took a stock, whip bro. These are the stock, as my channel did not occur some of the subscriber, so I'm assuming that it would not affect any of sort of violation to the YouTube. So I am showing this chart. Here is the here is the Wipro chart. The Wipro is Oi, तुझी पिट्टा अंदर now as you can see in the 4 hours time frame there was some sort of support. There was some sort of support in this area. I have also take only one trade because there is some sort of money. So only one trade has been put in that area. Now it's going great, which is 262.50, which you can say I have taken 40. So you have 20% return. 20% return is most probably I have taken it here. So upon this point, it's about 262.60, which is most probably 9.18 return. If you are, if I'm saying in line, I can also show you in the Dhan app, but it's beyond the rule of YouTube, so I'm not showing it. Just, just say that I have to get buy in this area. After that, it got spike because some people there was no such information about this that we will go up, but there was some sort of support. So I, according to my experience, as you can see, there was also sort of buy. So I buy it in this area, and now it's almost about 261.7 back.
दादा हाम्रो दुईजनाको फोटो तिम्रो कसरी बात गर्नुभएको दादा
जा भनेको I'm now. You can also. It's not a suggestion because YouTube shall ban me, but you can see that ITC will ITC will perform well in this December, I guess. Moving to the UXD, U XAUSD. कोई चीज़ नहीं जान नहीं Thank you. Bye bye. Last time saying that. Looking to this, just showing you where it's moving. Now it's moving in this area. Now it's your call. If you buy, then it's your benefit. If not, then take a stop loss and get out. Thank you. Bye bye.